Day number 2 of my incredible 11-day road trip through Costa Rica is starting off 3 hours early because Cahuita National Park is calling my name. My hotel is at the far side of town, and from here, it's just a 10-minute breezy walk through the quiet streets of Cahuita.
The vultures everywhere. It's crazy.
My Google searches told me that the park gates open at 8, but the buzz from the local bees the day before told me that the gate actually should be opening at 7. It's important I'm one of the first ones to storm the gate.
Park entrance is here behind me, and the trail goes all the way out to that point.
And I am the first person to enter the park. To my surprise, the lady at the gate informed me that there was no fee for the park and you were just asked to leave a donation. Unfortunately, she also let me know that parts of the trail were closed due to the torrential downpours that they had in the days leading up to it. But today, the weather is perfect, and who better to share this gorgeous morning with than a rowdy crew of howler monkeys. After about 25 minutes of monkeying around, it's time to get down to business and see what kind of beaches this national park is hiding. In this moment, I realized why my inner clock got me out the door so early this morning. Having this whole beach to myself just proves the theory that early bird indeed gets the worm. After 4 unforgettable hours in this vibrant wildlife haven, exploring its lush forests and stunning beaches, I have to leave it behind for now, as I have a 3-hour drive ahead of me to Tortuguero River Camping. This is a gem I found on the ioverlander app. It's time to regrettably hit the road and make the most of my 11-day adventure. The 154-kilometer drive from Cahuita to Tortuguero River Camping is a breeze, starting along the stunning Caribbean coast with views of palm-fringed beaches and vibrant coastal towns. The drive is easy and stress-free with clear signs and well-maintained roads, a perfect reminder of how accessible and simple it is to get around in Costa Rica. Even though I am feeling some regret about leaving Cahuita so soon, I realize not everything is meant to come with you. Sometimes the journey is about what you find next.
Oh, there's a little doggo. Hey, buddy. Oh, this is good. You're a good friend of mine. Well, I guess I'll be calling her a night. Now I gotta get up. I'm gonna get up at 3 or 4.